Burnout is a serious issue, but analyzing your time logs can help you avoid it. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use your time logs to gain control over your work-life balance and reduce burnout risk. If you've ever felt like you're running on empty, this is a quick, actionable solution to help you regain your energy and focus. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you a tool that can make this process a whole lot easier. Plus, I have a special free trial exclusive to viewers of this channel. More on that later. The first step in analyzing your time logs is to track every activity. Whether you're using an app or a manual log, make sure you record everything you do throughout your day. It might seem tedious at first, but you'll be amazed at what this simple act can reveal about how your time is being spent. It's critical to capture both work and personal activities because burnout isn't just about work. It's the imbalance between all aspects of your life. Once you've tracked your time for a few days, it's time to look for patterns. Go through your logs and categorize your tasks. You'll likely notice recurring activities that are draining your energy. Maybe you're spending too much time on emails, meetings, or checking social media. The goal here is to identify areas where you're overcommitting or engaging in activities that don't align with your priorities. Next, focus on your energy levels. Check which tasks leave you feeling exhausted and which ones energize you. Are there certain activities that drain you mentally and physically? Or are you finding yourself constantly caught up in tasks that don't bring you satisfaction or progress toward your goals? This is where burnout sneaks in, the constant drain from tasks that don't energize you. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you've identified the time drains and energy zappers, start adjusting your schedule. Consider delegating or eliminating tasks that aren't necessary. Break down large tasks into smaller manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Also, factor in time for breaks, both short and long. Studies show that taking regular breaks can help you recharge and maintain focus, ultimately reducing burnout. It's also helpful to assess your work-life balance. Are you dedicating too much time to work and not enough to personal activities or self-care? Remember, burnout isn't just about work overload. It's about the imbalance of how you spend your time. Adjusting your time distribution can create a healthier, more sustainable rhythm to your day. To make this whole process even easier, I recommend checking out this software we'll be using today. It's designed to help you track and analyze your time logs effortlessly, saving you the hassle of manual tracking. This software makes it simple to categorize tasks, track energy levels, and even set reminders to take breaks, perfect for preventing burnout. And here's the best part. If you want to follow along with this guide, I've partnered with this software to offer you an exclusive free trial. The link is in the description below, and this offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Now, the key takeaway here is simple. By tracking your time and analyzing your energy patterns, you can take proactive steps to prevent burnout. Recognize the tasks that drain you, eliminate what's unnecessary, and balance your work with personal time. This simple habit can be a game changer for your productivity and overall well-being. To recap: 1. Track every task you do. 2. Look for patterns and categorize your activities. 3. Focus on which tasks drain your energy. 4. Adjust your schedule to eliminate unnecessary tasks and take regular breaks. 5. Find the right balance between work and personal life. And don't forget, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. It's the perfect tool to help you stay on track and avoid burnout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.